If I attended your S&OP meeting 5 years ago and then attended one today, what is the single biggest difference I would notice?
One key difference that I would talk about 5 years ago, a lot of the debate would be about the correctness of the numbers, right? There would always be certain amount of reconciliation between, the stat numbers, which is usually a top-down number, and what the sales teams put in, which is usually a bottom-up number, which is moderated at various levels. From there, we have moved into a place where the number is almost never questioned. Mostly because there is more than ample reasons that is available readily on why certain lifts are taken or why certain dips have happened. For example, if someone were to talk about, let's say, Ahmedabad market, a particular SKU shown 30% lift. If someone were to question that number, half an hour it would have taken people to explain, or justify that kind of a lift. But now it is very structured where it is available. These are the promos that were run. This is the trade input that is being run. And hence, this has happened. So that reasoning and the backup data's availability has gone up quite drastically. And the other thing is most of the collaboration, that is the moderation or collaboration that happens, is now online, with each level people inputting very structured reasons, right? If they are going above the guardrails, why they are going above the guardrails. So all those things are data is very available at the click of a button. So that I would say is a key shift which has happened. So now the discussion, rather than discussing whether the number is right or wrong, we usually discuss more on if there is going to be any channel conflict, right? Service growth opportunities vis-a-vis inventory risks. These are the kind of discussions which mostly happens.
Thank you, Sandeep. Deepak, would you like to build on that?
Yeah, I'll just extend that. 5 years ago, it is basically a reporting forum. Now it is transferred to a strategic decision-making forum. Now the today discussion is on what are my market signals, what are my patterns, how the customer behavior has changed, how the commodity price is playing a role, and what will be the scenarios, what are my capacity scenarios, how my margins will be optimized, how my working capital will be optimized, right? These are, and what are the best service level trade-offs. So that's more strategic. Now you have a single source of truth, right? Maybe in the initial years of ERP or SAP establishment, there may be some discussions, data right hai, data wrong hai. But after 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, that gets stabilized and people do not question the data authenticity. Rather, they start working, okay, what is the best possible trade-off on the margin basis we will be able to find collaboratively so that the informed decision is there.